Today, we're discussing the topic of apportioned plates. If you're a truck driver or a fleet operator, you've likely heard this term before. But what exactly are apportioned plates, and why are they essential for your business? Apportioned plates, also known as IRP plates, are part of the International Registration Plan. This is a cooperative agreement among the 48 contiguous U.S. states, the District of Columbia, and Canada. The plan allows commercial vehicles to travel across participating regions by paying fees based on the miles traveled in each jurisdiction. Essentially, it simplifies the registration process for those operating fleets in multiple areas. Why are these plates so crucial? Well, they ensure that each state or province you travel through gets a fair share of the fees. This means you don't have to pay full registration fees in every single state. Instead, it's all apportioned based on where you drive. It saves you money and time, which we all know are precious commodities in the trucking industry. Now, getting these plates can be a bit of a complex process. You need to deal with various forms and provide detailed information about your vehicles and the miles they cover. This is where many truckers find themselves scratching their heads. But don't worry, you don't have to go it alone. FMCSA Registration.com is the go-to online service provider for all your registration needs. We will handle the intricate details so you can focus on what you do best, driving. So, how do you know if you need apportioned plates? Generally, if your vehicle has 2 axles and a registered gross vehicle weight over 26,000 pounds, or if it has 3 or more axles, or if it's used in combination and the combined weight exceeds 26,000 pounds, you likely need them. If you're unsure, it's best to check with a professional or visit FMCSA Registration.com to get the right guidance. Remember, having the correct plates ensures you comply with regulations, avoid hefty fines, and can operate smoothly across state lines. It's all about keeping your business running efficiently and legally. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trucking tips and insights. And don't forget, for all your registration needs, visit FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. We are the #1 online service provider in the transportation industry. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.